Yeah. Oh, he's starting to cry. What do you think about him?
It's okay.
Tell him it's okay.
It's okay, Brandon.
It's okay. Give him a kiss. Say, I love you, Brandon.
It's okay, Brandon.
Be loud. Say, it's okay, It's okay.
Brandon.
Yeah.
He's quiet.
Yeah, you think he's getting hungry.
Does he need mommy? Does he need mommy? You need mommy. Oh.
Because I have to read all these pages before I can go home.
Scan them.
I'm taking the thing home, but the nurse is going to come in and go through them.
I think he is hungry because you kind of get him near there. He's like, ugh. Can you hold him? Oh.
He's happy.
You think so? Is he as heavy as the shopping cart? What do you think of baby brother? Think you're gonna like him?
He's loud.
Yeah, he's loud.
Loud.
Are you this loud? Are you this loud?